This new product is centered around a material change and a design change that will not only mitigate the harm done to the environment, but also improve the grocery shopping experience. Traditional polyethylene bags are very convenient for customers, but they also have disadvantages such as flimsiness, tearing, and breakage. Food gets jumbled and bread gets squished. Eggs get cracked and chips get crunched. Heavier items, such as cans, break through unless 2 bags are used. In order to mitigate this, the bag kit was designed with more structured plastic that allows each bag to maintain its shape while also being flexible enough to accommodate bulkier items. The kit utilizes 3 specifically optimized bags: the heavy-duty bag, the delicate bag, and the everything bag. The heavy-duty bag is designed with thicker plastic in order to withstand the weight of heavy products, such as canned goods, and dimensioned to fit larger beverage items, such as milk. The delicate bag is optimal for produce and other fragile items, such as eggs or bread. The height of this bag is shorter to help prevent items from being crushed. The everything bag is for all other miscellaneous grocery items. Each bag in the kit comes with customizable dividers that allow customers to organize their groceries according to their needs. The bags also fold for compact storage and easier transportation. With this new bag system, if a customer does not bring their own reusable bag, they can put a deposit down for a bag kit. They can then take the kit home and reuse the bags as many times as they want. Once the bags are no longer needed or have reached the end of their usable life, they can be brought back to the store where the customer's deposit is returned. At that point, the store will handle everything else in order to properly recycle the bag kit. In order to fully understand the impact the kit will make against single-use plastic bag waste, it is necessary to first look at the circular diagram. PLA is created through a process called polymerization using corn, water, and energy. This bioplastic has gained attention as the renewable energy movement has grown and owes a large amount of its popularity to the fact that it can be produced inexpensively with current manufacturing equipment. PLA is considered a thermoplastic, which means that it can be heated and cooled several times without significantly affecting the amount of material available. From this, it was determined that the bag should only be recycled up to 7 times before they lose their structural integrity. Additionally, existing forms of PLA will be collected from other retailers, such as the clamshell containers Whole Foods uses for produce. Once PLA has reached the end of its usable life, the material can then be upcycled into valuable solvents, such as ethyl acetate and ethyl lactate. Both of these can replace toxic solvents such as acetone. These chemicals can be used for a diverse range of products and are both biodegradable. The production of traditional plastic bags consumes a large amount of energy and water in comparison to PLA. For example, the production of 1 kilo of PLA saves enough energy to power a light bulb for a month compared to high-density polyethylene. American grocery stores are the main target market for the bag kit, as they produce an extraordinary amount of plastic waste. Whole Foods, for example, produces around 80,000 tons of plastic waste per year. That's approximately 3 times the weight of the Statue of Liberty. A third of Whole Foods' annual plastic waste is PLA, which is simply thrown away. If this PLA were recycled even once, nearly 40,000 acres of farmland could be used to produce other food. That's 1.5 times the size of Disneyland. And the energy saved could power nearly 15,000 homes each year. One might ask why customers can't simply switch to paper bags instead of plastic. The environmental impact of paper production can actually be greater than polyethylene. Paper production consumes more water and energy in comparison, and also results in more water and air pollutants. Finally, by partnering with local recycling, the exportation of plastic waste can be significantly reduced, which would save as much carbon pollution as 35,000 cars produce in 1 year.